Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Yonex EZONE 100L. Experience effortless power and all-around performance with the Yonex EZONE 100L 285G 2022 tennis racket, a lighter and more maneuverable version of the iconic EZONE series. Designed for players of all skill levels, from ambitious beginners to advanced competitors, this racket offers the perfect blend of forgiveness, stability, and control. Crafted with a 100 square in head size and a 27-inch length, the EZONE 100L delivers an enlarged sweet spot thanks to Yonex's signature isometric head shape, giving you more power and consistency on every swing. Weighing only 285 grams, it's easy to handle and ideal for players who want faster racket head speed without sacrificing stability. Built entirely from high-quality graphite, the frame, shaft, and overall construction emphasize durability and responsiveness. Yonex incorporates advanced vibration dampening technologies to enhance comfort, reduce shock, and help you play longer with fewer arm issues, making it a top choice for players seeking a balanced, arm-friendly racket. Whether you're refining your technique or competing intensely, the EZONE 100L provides excellent maneuverability at the net, powerful ground strokes from the baseline, and confidence-boosting control on serves and returns. The 4 1/8 grip size ensures a secure, comfortable feel for a wide range of adult players. Choose the Yonex EZONE 100L 285G 2022 and elevate your game with a racket designed to deliver easy power, smooth handling, and unmatched playability every time you step on the court. Number 2. Babolat Pure Drive 110T. Unlock effortless power and enhanced comfort with the Babolat Pure Drive 110 tennis racket, 10th gen, expertly designed for players who want maximum forgiveness without sacrificing performance. Featuring an oversized 110 square in head, this racket delivers an expanded sweet spot ideal for beginners, intermediates, and anyone seeking easier ball contact, improved consistency, and added power on every stroke. This model comes professionally strung with 16G Babolat synthetic gut at mid-range tension, giving you the perfect blend of control and pop right out of the box. The white string style enhances the racket's clean, modern look while maintaining durability and responsiveness. Weighing a manageable amount and paired with a comfortable 4 1/8 inches grip, the Pure Drive 110 is incredibly maneuverable at the net and offers excellent stability from the baseline. The extended length contributes to added reach and noticeable boost on serves, allowing players to generate more spin and speed with less effort. Built with Babolat's advanced frame technologies, the racket absorbs shock efficiently, reducing arm strain and providing a smooth, comfortable playing experience. Whether you're returning fast-paced shots or rallying with consistent depth, the Pure Drive 110 helps you play confidently and comfortably. Perfect for adults of all skill levels, this 10th generation Pure Drive model combines power, forgiveness, and playability in one polished package. Step onto the court with a racket designed to make the game easier, more enjoyable, and more dynamic from the first swing. Number 3. Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen Tennis Racket. Unleash your most electrifying game with the Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen Tennis Racket, a performance-driven frame designed in collaboration with Rafael Nadal. Built for advanced players seeking unmatched spin and aggressive power, this racket captures the signature playing style of the tennis icon, bold, fast, and dominating from every part of the court. Weighing a controlled 289 grams, the Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen offers exceptional maneuverability while maintaining the stability needed for powerful baseline shots. Crafted from high-quality graphite in both the frame and shaft, it delivers outstanding responsiveness, durability, and a crisp feel upon contact. The aerodynamic beam design accelerates racket head speed, allowing you to produce Nadal-like topspin and deep, penetrating shots with ease. Babolat's updated vibration dampening technologies add comfort without reducing the racket's explosive performance, ensuring a clean, controlled hit even during intense rallies. Featuring a 4 3/8 inches grip, this racket provides a secure, comfortable hold for adult players who demand precision and confidence in every swing. Its unique cosmetic design reflects Rafa's signature style, bold, vibrant, and built for fierce competition. Whether you're dictating points from the baseline or finishing at the net, the Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen empowers you to play with maximum spin, high-powered control, and unwavering confidence. For advanced players ready to elevate their game, this racket delivers the performance and feel of a true champion. Number 4. Wilson Blade 98. Step onto the court with the confidence and control of a true competitor using the Wilson Blade 98, 16x19 V9 unstrung performance tennis racket. Built for advanced players who demand laser-focused precision and exceptional feel, the Blade 98 V9 continues Wilson's iconic legacy with refined updates that elevate modern performance. With a 98 square in head size and the popular 16x19 string pattern, this racket offers the perfect blend of spin potential, shot feedback, and high-level control. Its 305-gram weight delivers solid stability through impact, allowing experienced players to swing aggressively while maintaining full command of their shots. Constructed from braided graphite and basalt in both the frame and shaft, the Blade V9 provides unmatched responsiveness and a uniquely connected feel to the ball. This advanced material composition filters out unwanted vibrations while preserving the crisp, clean sensation that high-level athletes love. The result is a racket that empowers you to shape shots with precision, rally with consistency, and dominate with controlled power. The 4 3/8 inches grip size, Grip 3, ensures a comfortable, secure hold for adult players seeking optimal maneuverability and wrist action. Because it arrives unstrung, players can customize the tension and string type to match their exact performance needs. Designed for the modern, attacking competitor, the Wilson Blade 98, 16x19 V9 delivers elite feel, superior control, and tour-level performance, making it the ultimate racket for players who want to dictate every point. Number 5. Head 2022 Speed. Elevate your game with the Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket, a dynamic and versatile frame engineered to deliver the perfect blend of speed, control, and feel. Ideal for players of all skill levels, from ambitious beginners to seasoned competitors, the Speed MP is built to help you play faster and more confidently from the very first swing. Featuring a 4.5-inch grip size and weighing a balanced 11.1 ounces, this racket offers outstanding maneuverability without sacrificing stability. Its advanced graphite 360+ frame and shaft construction enhances energy transfer, providing a cleaner, more responsive feel on every shot. The addition of spiral fiber technology helps improve flex and comfort, giving you a smoother, more controlled experience during long rallies. The Speed MP is designed for players who thrive on versatility. Whether you're generating topspin from the baseline, attacking the net, or returning with precision, this racket supports a wide range of playing styles. Its fast swing speed allows you to react quickly and dictate points with improved timing and accuracy. Although listed with plastic under general materials, the performance-driven build is all about premium graphite 360+, ensuring durability, stiffness, and a modern, high-performance feel. Suitable for adult players, the racket's balanced design provides comfort and control, making it a reliable choice for anyone who values speed and all-around playability. Choose the Head 2022 Speed MP for a racket that keeps up with your game, delivering fast swings, crisp response, and the confidence to take your performance to the next level.